Oh yeah, it's me back again. Right, now a while back I did a review on this little KRC-2 little kit regenerative radio, and yeah, lovely little radio. I bought it as a kit about a year or so ago, but anyway, I've done a few more mods to it because I'm like that, you know. I like keeping things, you know, fiddling about and modifying things. And excuse me. So what I've done, obviously I've changed the colour of it again now. It's black instead of green, and just highlighted the front there with did that with a red marker pen, which I think just is quite a nice contrast with the black. And on the back, I told you I've put a phono socket on it before for an aerial antenna. Well, this time I've also put extension speaker socket on it and a switch to turn the internal speaker on and off. Yeah, I didn't bother putting a switched socket on it. I don't know why. Perhaps I didn't have one or something, I'm not sure. But anyway, I put a normal socket on there so you can have an extension speaker going on it as well as the speaker inside the radio, or you can just turn the speaker off in the radio with this little toggle switch here. So that gives you a bit more scope anyway. Yeah, so that was that. And also I found sometimes when you had the regen up, like listen on sideband, the volume's sometimes a bit high even if you turned it sensitively right down. So I put a little volume control on, which I managed to squeeze in a gap there behind. And I think that, if I remember rightly, is from the output of the audio amp. In between that and the speaker, it's a low resistance control pot. So and just controls, and you can turn the output right down if you want. You know, the audio output. But without taking the top off again and that, I can't really. But I may do that. Take the top off and just show you where I fitted it. And also I've just put an LED on-off indicator, because sometimes I've left this switched on and haven't realised. But now when I turn it on, you get the LED indicator. Sorry, a bit awkward with one hand. And you see it's got capacitors in there, it just dies away. Yeah, so that's only uses a few milliamps, and on 6 of those AAs, that don't think that make a lot of difference really, and the consumption. So yeah, so I've done that as well, and yeah, it's really good little set. I use it quite a bit really. I have it on my external G5RV, because I'm a radio ham anyway, so I use the G5RV for transmitting and receiving. So I thought I'd just update you with all that. So what I may do is another video, follow-on video, take the top off and just show you where I fitted the pot. But I say it's a low value pot, so I'm sure it's on the audio output between that and the speaker. That's why it had to be low value, you know, to actually cut the volume down. It may alter the impedance a bit slightly on the output of the amp, but even at its lowest or highest, I don't think it'll damage the amplifier anyway. So yeah, so that's it really at the moment. But I quite like it now with the black. That's just black vinyl that I got from my wife, self-adhesive. and just cut it to the width and put it around. It looks good, I think. Nice shiny finish, and with the red highlighted on the on there, it looks pretty good. So right, okay, then I'll say cheers for now, and then I'll maybe back with another follow-on video of this KRC-2. I'll say cheers, and G7ILP Kev saying bye for now.